Entrepreneurs can definitely use programs such as Midjourney, Dolly 2, Stable Diffusion. There are plenty of other programs out there, but those are just some of the most popular. And the way that I use it is I've created logos for my art business. I've created, it's part of my mixed media art. So I actually get them printed, I edit them, I print them on Canvas, and I add a whole bunch of things to them. You can use this for product design. So if you are trying to develop a product and you don't really know how you want it to be designed, you can use these as a brainstorming tool. You can put in, again, prompts. If you, usually I start with a color, and that's how pretty much all of my artwork starts. So I start with a color, yellow. All right, I know I want a building, so yellow building. I get pictures back and I'm like, I want it to be a yellow building on a beach, yellow building on the beach. Well, maybe more specific, not building. Maybe I want it to be a single family home. And so that's how you build your prompts. And then once you get the design that you're looking for, if let's say you're, I don't know, let's say you are trying to build a house or something, you can take this, you can print that picture out and take it to the architect or whoever you're working with and say, all right, what do you think about this? This is a rough draft. This is my idea. Where can we go from here? Again, you can use it for logos. You can use it for branding ideas. You can use it for flyers. You can use it for marketing purposes. There's all sorts of ways that you can use art AI or art generative AI in your business as an entrepreneur. You just have to be creative.